There are only two ways to live your life. One is as though nothing is a miracle. The other is as though everything is a miracle. And that is the thought for today. Welcome to 7 Good Minutes. I'm Clyde Lee Dennis. Thanks for joining me for what I believe will be 7 of the most enriching minutes of your day. In today's episode of 7 Good Minutes, we talk about the transformative power of mindful gratitude. Enjoy. Mindful gratitude is more than just saying thank you. It's about truly appreciating the positive aspects of your life. When you practice mindful gratitude, you take a moment to focus on what you are thankful for, no matter how small or insignificant it may seem. This practice encourages you to be present and fully engage with the good things in your life, which can transform your overall outlook. It's not about ignoring the challenges, but about finding balance by acknowledging the positives. By making mindful gratitude a regular part of your life, you begin to notice more of what's going well, which can enhance your sense of well-being and happiness. The science behind gratitude reveals its profound impact on our mental and physical health. Studies show that regularly practicing gratitude can lead to improved mood, better sleep, and even stronger immune function. When you focus on what you are grateful for, your brain releases dopamine and serotonin, the feel-good chemicals that enhance your mood and promote overall well-being. Furthermore, gratitude practices have been linked to increased activity in the brain's prefrontal cortex, the area associated with learning and decision-making. This means that by practicing gratitude, you are not only boosting your happiness, but also enhancing your cognitive functions. Practicing mindful gratitude can be simple and effective with the right techniques. One approach is to keep a gratitude journal, where you write down 3 things you are grateful for each day. This helps you to regularly reflect on positive experiences and reinforce those feelings. Another technique is to express your gratitude to others. Whether it's a thank you note, a text message, or a verbal acknowledgement, sharing your appreciation can deepen your relationships and spread positivity. Mindful breathing exercises, where you focus on your breath and silently give thanks for each inhale and exhale, can also be a powerful way to incorporate gratitude into your mindfulness practice. The impact of gratitude on mental health is significant and far-reaching. When you regularly practice gratitude, you can experience reduced symptoms of depression and anxiety. Focusing on positive aspects of your life helps to shift your mindset away from negative thoughts and worries. Gratitude also fosters resilience, making it easier for you to cope with stress and recover from setbacks. By acknowledging and appreciating what you have, you create a buffer against negative emotions and build a stronger, more positive outlook on life. This enhanced mental state can lead to increased motivation, better relationships, and an overall sense of fulfillment. Integrating gratitude into your daily life can be a transformative experience. Start by setting aside a few moments each day to reflect on what you are grateful for. You can incorporate this practice into your morning routine to set a positive tone for the day, or make it part of your evening routine to end the day on a thankful note. Additionally, look for opportunities throughout the day to express gratitude, whether it's appreciating a beautiful sunrise, thanking a colleague, or savoring a delicious meal. By making gratitude a habit, you train your mind to focus on the positives, leading to a more joyful and fulfilling life. That does it for today's episode of 7 Good Minutes. Please take a moment to rate and review the show on the platform you're listening on. Until next time, let's be civil to one another out there. Thanks for listening.